back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to visualize formulas in GeoGebra. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. If you want to visualize formulas in GeoGebra, all you gotta do is simply go to GeoGebra. Once you're in your GeoGebra, to visualize formulas in it, you need to type them into the input bar. Example, fx is equals to 2x cap 2 plus 1, or something like this. So you can use the cap button for exponent and the asterisk button for multiplication. So once you have done this, you can press on enter to see the graph in the graphic view and the equation in the algebra view, allowing interactive exploration by changing the parameters or creating slides. So you can simply input according to your personal choice. You can simply go there and simply type in it. So after you have done this, you can simply get different kind of formulas in your GeoGebra. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.